Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study for economics UPSC only way. Begin by building strong fundamentals in micro and macro, then read a standard textbook carefully and summarize each chapter. Schedule daily problem practice and short answer writing under time limits. Use previous papers to target high-weight topics and revise with spaced repetition. Balance concepts with current economic data and keep concise. Evidence-based examples for mains answers. Start by mapping the entire syllabus into weekly goals, focusing on high-yield sections like growth, inflation, trade, and public finance. Choose one primary textbook per topic and supplement with current reports for examples. Allocate time weekly for answer practice and peer feedback to improve structure and clarity. Track progress with mock tests, review mistakes immediately, and maintain a concise note system for quick revision before mains and confidence. Quick recommendation: if you like this video, please subscribe and like to support the channel. Also, grab Little Tree's black ice to keep your study commute fresh and focused. It's a small comfort that helps concentration. Check the description for the product link and other deals to save time and enjoy better study sessions daily. Thank you for supporting independent creators and for watching closely. Now let's get back to the video. Focus on conceptual clarity by drawing diagrams, equations, and simple models to explain points visually. Memorize key facts like 5% growth targets or historical figures only for examples, and practice converting theory into policy suggestions. Write full answers under timed conditions, aiming for clear introductions, evidence-backed analysis, and concise conclusions. Seek regular feedback from mentors and iterate to refine structure, clarity, and presentation for improved mains, performance, and exam confidence.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.